Hey guys, my name is Jeff. I just want to come on here and share this new tool that I've been using, which is OpsBerry.ai. It is a tool that will help you with runbooks, how-to guides. It will take text, images, and now soon to be video so that you can be able to create a step-by-step guide for you or your team, or if you're working on something. So, and a big example would be right now I'm actually watching a YouTube video on Kubernetes cluster installation process on in AWS. Now, as I'm watching it, I'm understanding all that, but I like a step by step. I would like the commands on how to do this. So, OpsBerry.ai has been working on a browser extension, which I'm really excited to show you guys. So let's take a look here. So let's go ahead and look. Let's look up OpsBerry.ai, and oh, look, they went ahead and added the Get Chrome extension. So I'm going to click that. However, I am using Microsoft Edge and I want to see if they do have that available. It is Chromium based as well, so it should work. So let's go ahead and install that. It looks like they got it here. So let's go ahead and install this extension here. So I'm going to go ahead and add the extension. All right, it looks like it got added in there. That's awesome. Let me just make that available. Okay. So let's go back to the YouTube video. Like I said, I want the steps for this from beginning to end. So I'm going to click OpsBerry browser extension, and it's going to ask me to log in. All right, so now we have the small dashboard here, the browser extension. So I'm going to go ahead and tell it, how do I install a Kubernetes cluster in AWS using a Ubuntu instance? Provide technical steps, provide steps and commands, provide the Ubuntu instance version I should use. Alright, so once we got that, let's go ahead and give it a title. How do I install Kubernetes? How do I install a Kubernetes cluster in AWS using a Ubuntu instance? So I'm really excited about this. So let's go ahead and hit generate runbook so we can get our steps. So now what it does, it actually takes you to the OpsBerry dashboard, which what we're looking at right now, and it's going to begin generating the content. So as we wait, I just want to show what's on the left hand side. So you have the create a guide option. That's where you will actually go in, do the same thing as the browser extension. However, now you have the option to upload an image. It can be a screen capture, it can be an image from a code, say you have something in VS Code, or it can be a JavaScript or Python code that you want to input here, and it will help you generate it. Um, this is awesome. And on the left here, you got my library. That's where you keep all your how-to guides. Discover is like a community where you can discover other run books that others have created. Documentation on how to use OpsBerry, and then leave feedback option here, which is awesome. They are looking for feedback. Um, so it's good that we can go ahead and communicate with them and leave our feedback while we're using this. And on the bottom left hand corner, we have a little icon with my name on it. That's where the account information is. So while we wait here, we're going to wait for the steps to generate the content. All right, folks, there we have it. We have our run book. installing a Kubernetes cluster on AWS using a Ubuntu instance. So let's take a look here. So we have prerequisites of what we need to have before we even start. It gives us step-by-step SSH key pair for remote access. AWS CLI needs to be installed, and then look, it gives us the Ubuntu server 20.04 LTS AMI. And let's move down. Gives us the objectives of what we're going to do, and then a summary. So this is what we'll need. And now these are the commands that we can run in our terminal to pretty much install Kubernetes. We need to update the packages, install Docker. We can check the versions, make sure that's correct. I like that they give that. Alright, so it gives us how to QADM initiate. And it explains that you need to join the worker node. Okay. So this is actually pretty good. Alright, so there you have it. This is OpsBerry.ai. Go ahead and sign up. It's free. Give it a shot. Tell us what you think. And I've been using this for a bit now for different things that I'm working on, even on freelance work with building websites. I'm using the server Holsinger, so with the terminal, there's a lot of steps in there that I didn't know, and this will help me build out the website, but also gives me the commands and how I can log in via the terminal. So it's awesome. So I'll see you guys there. Take care.